Hey buddy, it's John with Upstate Brush Control. Here in the shop, we got Willie over here. We got Josh. We are doing maintenance day. So we're gonna work on getting this all ready to go for next week. We're gonna put this excavator back together. AC compressor has been out for quite a while, and they wanted $600 to take the counterweight off, and we came and did it, or we brought it back here and did it in no time and brought it back to him. But we got new AC compressor put on. Oh, let's see here, missing something up in this area here. Oh yeah, the rest of the boom. We had a cylinder. This cylinder had to be repacked, and we went to go, while the cylinder was getting repacked, we're like, might as well go get the AC fixed. Let's go move it. And I was like, that ain't gonna work. So we just took the other stick off. It actually didn't take that long. Got a couple caps, and we capped this end really well, but we did not do the other end. It was a little messy, but live and learn, you know. So we're gonna work on this skid steer. Oh yeah, we got Fecon. Oh, I'm sorry, Fecon Ventrac. So one of the blades on the Ventrac, anybody who runs a Ventrac or ever go to sharpen a blade, take it off or anything, the blade on this side is a reverse thread, just to let you know. So when you go to take your blades off, make sure you're going the other direction. We snapped the spindle, or snapped the bolt off, but we're gonna get that fixed today. And then let's see here, we got to the Fecon here. I think we might sharpen the teeth, I don't know. But got some pretty exciting news about Fecon. Gonna share with you a little bit later, gotta stay tuned for that. But we got some new skids here. These go on the bottom of the cutter head. Underneath there, that rides on the ground. So pretty excited about that, but we'll get to that a little bit later here. So we just finished up the big dirt job, and we just finished up a big dirt job. We didn't do a lot of videoing on it, sorry, just due to contractor, other situations. But out there grading and dozing and all that kind of stuff, and finished grading with a skid steer. It's like, man, it's getting hot in here. Oh, sorry guys, I don't know what's up with this AC. Must be a little plug. I'd say so. I just took the cover off. I'm gonna try to get all this mess out of here, and then we're gonna end up washing it off. So blowing it out, rinsing it out. We're gonna wash the whole machine too, so. Oh yeah. It's pretty clogged still, but we'll get what we can with the air, and then we'll have to take it outside and rinse it out. Oh, I can see right there to it. So I'll kind of show you what guys are working on down here. So we love our ASV, no doubt about it. Great machine. Little flaw that we have, I'm sure anybody who has an ASV has discovered. These pockets right here that Josh is working on, getting all that junk out of there, fill up with dirt real bad. It'll actually get to a point where these pins won't take grease and stuff. So we'll try to keep those as clean as possible. Willie's driving out this pin on this side. Yeah. Watch your fingers. He is. Dry as a bone.
Oh, pull right there.
Yeah, that's where the grease is supposed to come out. So that gets all jammed up with dirt. But anyways, all right, we just got everything rinsed off, got the Fecon washed off, got the ASV all cleaned up. We ended up taking off this guard right here. Sometimes dirt gets packed in there and the pins to lock the bucket get stuck. We got rinse this out real nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, super clean. So we're gonna put this stuff back together real quick, and I think we're gonna work on the excavator next. So Willie's going to get the counterweight over there. And I'm going to set her on there. I've actually taken this thing off before when I had to replace this cooler, radiator thing, whatever you want to call it. So it's just 3 big old bolts coming down right in the hands there. I don't know how much it weighs. It's pretty heavy, but it's pretty simple actually. When they said they wanted $600, I was like, pretty sure we can do that. No time. All right, so we're making progress. We got the boom back on. We got the new cylinder put back on there. Excavator is pretty much all put back together. Counterweight, panels, all that stuff. So me and Josh are getting ready to take these skids off here, and I'm gonna take these panels off, just make sure everything looks good on the inside, as far as the bearings and the grease tubes are connected properly, and just a good idea to check it every now and then. But I saw on Let's Dig 18 a lot of people watching, so he was having trouble with some teeth falling off on one of his machines, and we are always, I say always, we have teeth fall off because we don't do a lot of dirt. We're more or less just raking brush and stuff. So they did this thing where they put little caps over the pins, on I think it's Hitachi. So that's what Willie's doing here. Gonna keep them tight. Just cut a little piece of metal, put it over it, tack it on there. Yeah, thanks, man. But so yeah, we'll get that pulled off and I'll show you kind of what's going on there. So it's got 4 bolts right here on this side, 4 bolts in the front. So I flipped it back this way to get these bolts out. It'd be a lot easier is the plan. But yeah, we did this before. We reskinned these at one time, so you can see they're wearing through. And I just about got into the actual cutter. This is a replaceable part right here. What if we cut the bolt off? Where's the right side socket? Is this it?
Get in there.
Yeah. All right, we got the skids off. These are the old ones here. So what we did, this here is original. This is an original skid. And we took a piece and we actually did a video on it, and we folded it over this and welded it all in there. And that's wearing out. And what happens is you're back dragging and stuff, that edge catches and yeah, creates a mess. Hard to back drag finish. But this, you can see, I mean, that's completely worn through. I can't remember how many hours ago it was when we replaced those, but I don't know, I'd say around 500 hours, maybe a little bit more, just guessing, no clue. But here's the new ones, brand spanking new from Fecon. So here's the thing. We got an email from Fecon asking for me to call them. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna call Fecon. Why wouldn't I call Fecon? If they want to talk to me, I'm gonna talk to them. So in that conversation, we ended up, I really don't know what to call it because nothing's set in stone yet, but it's going to be something along the lines of what Ventrac has done. They're going to kind of sponsor us, partnership type thing. Really not sure what's going on completely yet, but I'm excited about it. They're excited about it. We got free skids already, So they're like, yeah, what do you need? I'm like, well, my skids on my Fecon are shot. They're like, what's your address? We're sending them to you. I'm like, all right, send away. So we're excited. We're very excited. They're talking about maybe the new, what's it called? What's that new cutter head called? Black Hawk. That's it. Talked about that, maybe us doing some video on that, bringing the Black Hawk down here and trying that cutter head out, and maybe some others. Really don't know all the details yet, but we're excited. And thank you, Fecon, for the new skids, and we look forward to the partnership, or I think it's a partnership, whatever you want to call it. Thank you. We're gonna get these suckers put on here. We want some merch, by the way. Maybe some shirts, hats,
Sweatshirts.
hoodies.
Hoodies.
Hoodies would be cool. Would be cool, hoodies.
Or if any other company wants to send hoodies.
Yeah, yeah.
I wear a small. Medium.
Willie's a small. Josh is a medium. I'm a large.
So even.
Right. There we have it. The skids are on. Got my brother Dave stopped by and Joe. But anyways, got the skids on. Josh is finishing up the side covers there. And need a new bolt for that one. But thanks again, Fecon. We are done for the day. Wrapped up early Friday. Early-ish, something like that. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one.
Josh is still working.
Work it. Work it. Come on. Oh, it turned off.
No, just tap the screen.
Oh, she's still rolling.
Still rolling, guys.
Still rolling.
Here we go. Money shot.
Josh,
Money shot.
I'm gonna do that one.
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Hang on. Multitask.
Wait.
Hang on.
Here we go.
Hello? Yeah.
There it is.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Safety first.
Thanks, Chris.
Goodbye, y'all.